Good Wednesday evening! What are we making tomorrow morning? We have to start it tonight. I came across this buttermilk pancakes recipe from 1925. It's like 4 ingredients. Stale bread, buttermilk, baking soda, flour. I know! It's really weird. No eggs, buttermilk. Now, you may or may not know, but you know, buttermilk today isn't what it was in the old days. This is cultured buttermilk. The thing is, I think cultured buttermilk appeared in the 20s. It's possible they were referring to something like this, and not just the watery residue when you make butter. And you know what? It tastes really good. I like mixing yogurt with water as a drink. I love that. But I really like this. I can't remember the last time I had cultured buttermilk. But here's the thing. We have to soak some stale bread. I halved the recipe. All right, I don't want to make a full quart of buttermilk. Plus I had a glass. So we've got a slice and a half of stale bread. I'm going to remove the crust. It's just me. I could leave it on, I'm sure. We have to soak it in the buttermilk overnight. Then we add the baking soda, and salt to taste, sorry. And then we add enough flour, it doesn't say how much, to get the right consistency. And then we make pancakes. Buttermilk pancakes. Let's soak this mofo. Good Thursday morning. Full disclosure, I ended up adding the extra half of stale bread, and we used Wonder Bread for this. So there are 2 cups of buttermilk and 2 slices of stale Wonder Bread without the crust. And we're supposed to mix it. This has been sitting in the fridge. Let's break it all up. And it says salt to taste. I'm just going to add maybe 2 pinches of salt. That's a lot of batter. More batter than I need. Let's beat it rigorously. We got salt. So let's add 2 generous pinches of salt. All right, we got our flour. And we have to go slow because you can't take it away once you add it in. I'm going to use a teaspoon. Boy, you know, it's already close to consistency. Let's add a teaspoon at a time. That's a big one. That's 2 big teaspoons. Whoa! Is this a thing? I mean, do you know this is a thing? We got our test ladle here. It's too soupy. And so that's 3 teaspoons. Let's add in 2 more. That's 7. Right? We may stop at 7. They always say it should be a little lumpy. I have no idea today. Boy, I don't know. Let's go 2 more and that's it. So that'll be 9. It's funny because the ad says bake on a griddle. Let's do a test. Oh, it's hard to know. It's hard to know. I'm gonna stop at 9 heaping teaspoons. We're gonna stop there. Oh, we gotta add in the baking soda. Supposed to use how much? 1.5 teaspoons. This is 3/4 teaspoon. That's okay. Starting to bubble. All right, bubbly. We're using our 1980s West Bend griddle. Unmarked, but it's a West Bend. Butter. About a quarter cup each. Wow, a little less than a quarter cup. Wow, what are we doing? Butter's burning a little bit, I think. I'm getting the bubbles. 1925. They're going to be thin. I thought the consistency was good though. Oh my gosh, are we going to get pancakes out of this? I think these might be a little sloppy when they turn them because there's no egg in it. They're still light brown. Whoa! Hey, those are pretty! It's pretty! Hey! There'll be pancakes here! We're making pancakes! I have too much batter. I'm not going to end up using all the batter. It's just how it is. Okay, 1, 2. They are very soft. We'll just do 6. I'll leave the batter in the fridge. 6 is plenty. As a test. I am dripping it on the floor. Very exciting! Buttermilk pancakes. Literally buttermilk pancakes from 1925. It's a lot of butter. Oh, 1. Ha ha ha! What are they going to taste like? 1. Hey! Six pancakes. Syrup. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Got our milk. Ready? These sliding buttermilk pancakes from 1925. They seem very fluffy. They're thin. They seem quite fluffy. This is it. First of all, the flavor's okay. But they're not really cakey. The flavor's okay. Look how thin they are. They taste like they're raw. Huh. They're very soft. I wouldn't say they're soupy. I mean, they're spongy. They're spongy. The flavor's good. But they're, at least you don't have to worry about eating raw egg. I don't know how to describe it. They're not cakey at all. I mean, they look a little cakey, you know? I really don't know how to describe it. Soggy bread? Hey! Still! Buttermilk pancakes from 1925. We gave it a shot. Thanks for joining me this Thursday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Flavor's okay. It tastes like wet bread. Thanks for watching.